Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, we'll see how to crochet this beautiful triangle shawl. This shawl has a wingspan of approximately 66 inches and a height of 37 inches excluding the tassels. You can find the return pattern for this shawl in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. If you like what I do, you can support me by subscribing to my channel, and also please click the bell icon so that you can receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started. For this shawl, I used approximately 860 meters of DK weight or light worsted weight category 3 yarn and a 5 mm crochet hook. First, start with a slip knot and then make 4 chains. Join the last chain with a slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Let's start the first row with chain 4. This counts as a double crochet and chain 1, and then make a double crochet into the ring. Then repeat chain 1 and double crochet 5 times into the ring. You have 6 chain 1 spaces. The second row is a single crochet row. Start with chain 1 and turn, and then work a single crochet in the first stitch. Then make a single crochet in the next space, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next space, again single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next space, and then into the next stitch we are going to make a single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet, which will form the corner of the shawl. So in the next stitch work single crochet and then chain 2, and this chain 2 is the corner space, and a single crochet in the next stitch, and then repeat single crochet in each space and each stitch until the end of the row. Start the next row with chain 4, which counts as double crochet and a chain 1, and then work a double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1. Now skip 1 stitch and work a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. So now we have reached the corner. Chain 1 and in the corner chain 2 space work double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet. The second double crochet will form the corner stitch. So if you want, you can place a marker there. Then chain 1 and work a double crochet in the next stitch, and then repeat chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in next stitch, again, so when you reach the last stitch work double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the same stitch. We'll start the next row, which is a single crochet row. Chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, then single crochet in each chain 1 space and single crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner stitch. Next is the corner stitch, and in the corner stitch work a single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet. Now this chain 2 space forms a corner, and then repeat single crochet in each space and each stitch until the end of the row. Next is row 5. Make chain 4 and work a double crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch and work a double crochet cluster in the next stitch. To make a cluster, yarn over, insert hook and pull yarn. Again yarn over, insert hook in the same stitch and pull yarn. Once again yarn over, insert hook in the same stitch and pull yarn. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops except the first loop. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch and work a cluster in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert hook in the next stitch, pull yarn 3 times. Yarn over and pull through all the loops except the first one. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and work a cluster in the next stitch. Repeat this until you reach the corner space. Now in the corner chain 2 space, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet. The second stitch will form the corner stitch. Then chain 1 and then work a cluster in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and make a cluster in the next stitch. Repeat this across. In the last stitch, work double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. The next row is a single crochet row. Work single crochet in each stitch and each chain 1 space, and in the corner stitch work a single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet, and then continue working single crochet in rest of the stitches and chain 1 spaces until the end of the row. Next we'll start row 7. This is a repeat of row 3, which is a chain 1 space row. Start with chain 4 and work a double crochet in the same stitch, and then repeat chain 1, skip next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch across. We have reached the corner, and in the corner chain 2 space, make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. The second double crochet is the corner stitch, chain 1 and then double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this, finishing with double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the last stitch. Next, repeat the single crochet row. So every alternate row is a single crochet row. Next is row 9, chain 3 and work 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And then work double crochet in each stitch across until your corner chain 2 space. Now in the corner chain 2 space, work 5 double crochets. And then continue working double crochet in each stitch across. End the row with 3 double crochets in the last stitch. Row 10 is a single crochet row. Work single crochet in each stitch. In the corner stitch, that is the third stitch of the 5 stitches that you worked in the corner. In the third stitch, make a single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet, and then continue the rest of the row working single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. So you will repeat rows 3 to 10 as many times as you want. In some rows, the placement of the last stitch before the chain 2 space may vary. For example, in this row, I am finishing with an extra stitch between my last double crochet and the chain 2 space. It doesn't matter, just work chain 1 and work the usual stitches in your corner chain 2 space. If you remember, in my previous chain 1 space row, the last double crochet before the chain 2 space was in the stitch right before the chain 2 space, but here it is one stitch before that. Accordingly, while you work the other side, if you had one extra stitch on this side, similarly you skip one extra stitch on the other side of the chain 2 space and continue working. After completing, block your shawl and you may add tassels to each corner if you wish. I hope you like this pattern. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.